Oh shit. Okay, do you want these effects? Check this out. Ready? Boom, it's off. Okay, easy as that. That is not edited. That is just the program at work. This is called NVIDIA Broadcast. This has been out for a couple months, but recently they added to where you can enable 2 effects in this program. Now this only works with RTX graphics cards, any kind of RTX card. This works with OBS, Zoom, Omegle, and Discord, or anything that takes some kind of device, you know, that you can enable or disable. This is just a regular C920 webcam, the Logitech C920. That's all it is. So what you're gonna want to do is Google or whatever you use. You're gonna look up right there. Okay, so check this out. So what you want to do, you select the camera that you have, right? C920 right here, and that's it. Set your whatever your computer can handle. But I mean, if you have an RTX card, the performance hit you're gonna get isn't gonna be crazy at all if you're running 1080 30 FPS. But mind you, I'm not claiming to be an expert or know everything there is to know about all these little, you know, tips and tricks. I just wanted to show off the fact that NVIDIA Broadcast now has 2 effect settings that you can enable. It's awesome. So now if you want to set this up with Chrome or as like with Omegle, all you'd have to do is you're gonna come here. Hold on, I'm gonna pop out for a second. You're gonna come up here. You're gonna go, where is it? You're gonna go to site settings. You're gonna come down, camera, and make sure that your camera is set to camera NVIDIA Broadcast. Let's check it. And we're here on Omegle, waiting for somebody from Johannesburg to pop up. But you see what I mean? He says hi. And just like that, you're set up, you're ready to go. Make people on the internet freak out over your camera quality.